Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speedy lessons, looking at lesson number 3, dinomoro, which are numbers counting from 1 to 10. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to count from 1 to 10 in Sepedi and use numbers in simple everyday sentences. Vocabulary: te, it's 1. Pedi, is 2. Taro is 3. Nne is 4. Hlanu is 5. Tshela is 6. Shupa is 7. Siswai is 8. Sinyane is 9. Lesome is 10. Let's look at 5 sentences. I have 1 book. Ke na le buku e tee. 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 We have 2 pens. Re na le dipene tše pedi. 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 There are 3 learners in the classroom. Go na le bana ba bararo ka phapošing. 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 I bought 4 apples. Ke rekile diapola tše 4. 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 There are 5 books on the table. Go na le dipuku tše 5 tafoleng. 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 Grammar focus. Numbers usually come after the noun they describe. Example, puku itee, 1 book. Dipene tše pedi, 2 pens. Bana ba bararo, 3 children. Dipuku tše hlano, 5 books. Numbers usually come after the noun they describe. Learner activity. Count the following objects in Sepedi: your books, your pencils, your chair, your family members. Then make one sentence using any number from 1 to 10. Example, ke na le dikota tše šupa. I have 7 sticks. Ke na le dikota tše šupa. Ke na le dikota tše šupa. I have 7 sticks. Write your activity in the comment section. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.